In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of an email account that you've added to your iPhone or any iOS device. I'll show you a way just to turn off the emails of an account. Say if you use Google Calendar for something or Notes, but don't want the emails to sync to your device. To get started, we'll look at my accounts here that I've already added to my Mail app on my iPhone. I have all inboxes at the top, followed by the different accounts. In this example, I want to remove the QuickTech email account. If I swipe on it or choose it, it takes me into the mailbox, and if I tap Edit on the top right, it just allows me to hide it or sort it in my list. To remove the account from your device, close the Mail app and then open Settings. On the main settings page, scroll down until you see Mail and then choose it. In the past, this used to be found under Passwords and Accounts, so if you're working on an older version of iOS, it may be found there. Once on the Mail page, tap Accounts. You'll then see the list of the different email accounts that are on your device again, this time though without the extra box and folder labels. Choose the account that you want to remove. Now first off, if you don't want to remove the account altogether, say maybe you use calendars or contacts associated with that account, then you do have the option just to turn on and sync the items that you use. So for instance, we can turn off Mail and then turn on Contacts. This will then turn off and remove the account from your Mail app. If we head back to Mail, we see that it's been removed. In the future now, if you do want the mailbox on your device again, you can just easily come back in here and then turn it back on. But if you're sure that you do want to remove it, maybe you no longer have access or it was an old job, you can do that too. Head back to the Mail account page inside of Settings. At the bottom, under the options that we just looked at, you can also tap Delete Account. A pop-up window will then appear, and when you're ready to remove the account, tap Delete Account. It will then remove it completely from your device. And that's how you sign out and delete an account on your iPhone or iOS device.